Welcome to another exciting episode of Outdoor Mountain TV. Today we are fishing. We're gonna do best of 5, I think. So stay tuned. It's gonna be awesome. It's nice and foggy, nice and fishy, and we're super tired, but we're still fishing. That was a for sure 100% fish. Might still have it. Nope. Probably a tiny one. Man, I was trying to get the GoPro, it didn't set the hook. Oh, it still does have it. No, it don't. 100% fish though. Oh yeah. Is that bass?
I don't know. Do hybrids jump?
Not really.
Hybrids just usually big.
They look like a bass. Yep, it is. No! Mitchell!
I hate fishing.
Well, there was our one fish. Oh, dang it. Right when I turned it on, I missed it, I think.
Probably because the GoPro took like 12 seconds.
I know. Hook up on a... Hopefully that's a bass.
Yeah, I think it's a bass. I think it's so green.
I love the sound of braid in the morning. Doing that job. Oh yeah.
Yay.
First one. It's the second one, but it's the first one in the boat.
Well, we didn't go slow.
That was cool. Big old monster.
If you're saying that. I don't need color.
Well, there's a turtle.
Huh?
There's a turtle.
What?
A turtle. Wow, I would cast over the only tree.
What'd you say?
I said I would cast in the only tree.
Where did that hit?
In the arm. Ain't no one's filming. What is that?
I have no idea.
Touch it.
No, I'm not touching it. You touch it.
It's like a big old jelly.
Dude, it's so heavy. Feel it.
Ew. It's like squishy but hard.
What?
Sure, you
Dude,
touch
feel
it.
it. It's heavy.
Dang.
Ew, it is.
I've never seen anything like that in my life. It's like a plant thing. I don't know what it is.
Dude, there's a fish living in it.
Really?
It went under.
Right here. Nah. 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 I'm getting bit. Oh my gosh. Dude, I just got bit so hard.
I know.
Dadgummit, I should have went straight braid.
What?
I should have had straight braid.
Yeah.
Dang it.
That happens.
First flip.
Please tell me that was on video.
No, it wasn't. How about flip my rod out of my hands? That would have sucked. I would have definitely jumped in.